Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're taking a look at an asset in the Unity asset store simply called Mausoleum. It's a nice little asset. Quality wise, it's not too bad. It does come with a demo scene, which is always a good thing. You guys know I love the demo scenes, even though it's not quite as well flourished as what the actual image would have you think, but that doesn't really matter because it doesn't tell you that there's like a terrain, skybox, whatever. Fact of the matter is, this is our asset. It's quite nice. I like the quality of it. It is nice to look at, and I can see it being useful in quite an array of games. You know, whether you've got a graveyard, something creepy, I guess, maybe a survival horror style game. It's going to be quite useful in there. Quantity, well, you get what you see, really. You know, you just get this mausoleum, as it were. You get the scene, textures, materials, whatever else. So there's nothing in the way of extras. So, like I say, quantity, yeah, you get exactly what you see. Versatility and customizability, yes. As always, I encourage people to use the assets they see and just modify them in different ways, like the normal map, for example. Look how run down and grotty that now looks just by changing the normal map. Change the albedo. Look at just that looks absolutely gruesome. I like how you can actually do this kind of thing to the assets, and always a little bit of post-processing, as you guys know. Just look how run down that looks. And you don't necessarily have to have you know, anything modified within the materials. If I undo those modifications but still apply the post-processing, you'll see, yeah, it looks really nice. So overall, I like the quality of this. I really do. It's nice. Usefulness, like I said, it's going to be great when you've got something like a graveyard or something creepy, maybe with ghosts or anything like that. I think it's going to be really useful in those sorts of games. Because overall, like I said, the quality, really nice. It's a free asset, which is always a good thing. Speaking of free, it is 14.9 meg, so it's not exactly huge. It's not really a couple of kilobytes, not small. So just be mindful of that if you're on a slow connection. But I think 15 megabytes is a pretty decent size for what this is. It's always good to see assets being compressed down to fairly decent sizes. Folders all neatly laid out, which is, again, great to see. And it just makes it easier to find different things within the asset, so you can always kind of work with things a little better, but just by, you know, how neat the folders are laid out. So, as you guys know, I don't rate assets. I either recommend them or I don't. And yeah, I'd recommend this asset. I think it's a great quality asset to have in an array of games, even if it's not like a horror style game or anything like that. Maybe an RPG or something. I think this will fit in quite well in a lot of different styles of game. So yeah, I would recommend this asset. So guys, have you used this mausoleum in your game? If you have, let me know what you think of it. Is it good? Is it bad? What would you do to change it? You know, just let me know. Have you got an asset on the asset store yourself, as a matter of fact? And if you have, let me know in the comments, because I'd love to check it out and possibly review it in one of these little videos. And finally, guys, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well to stay up to date with everything I upload on video game development on my channel, because I do lots and lots and lots of content. Guys, thank you very much for watching.